Hey, welcome to Day Trade to Win. Alright, we're back this week with more scalping and day trading videos. This here is a 1-minute chart with the Emini S&P500. We're using the Trade Scalper software. You can of course use this on the micro E-mini futures as well, which is perfect for practicing. So far today we have had 5 winners here in a row, and before that we had 1 break-even trade. There was 1 break-even as we were using a time-based stop. This first trade here did not reach our profit target in time, but we didn't lose anything on it either. So these 6 trades here, we made 3 points and 3/4 so far today. So let's see if we can get 6 winning trades here in a row before the end of the video. We're just going to sit tight and wait for the next trading signal here. This is the Trade Scalper, by the way, and in the version you get from daytradetowin.com, you'll have more features and you'll have visual help and guidance like lines and zones here in your chart. But in this version, we just have the plain trading signals. Alright, there's our trading signal. The profit target is 3 ticks. And our profit target was hit right there, 3 ticks. That's 3/4 of a point, or 0.75, because 0.25, 1/4, that's the smallest increment of the Emini S&P500. So in total, 4.5 points. 1 point is $50 per contract that you trade. So if you trade 5 contracts, this would have been a $1,000 plus winning streak right here. We can do this all day long. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll teach you a lot of stuff in our videos. And go to daytradetowin.com to get the Trade Scalper. Our next mentorship class is also starting soon, so if you're serious about becoming a day trader, go to daytradetowin.com to sign up while there are seats left in the mentorship class. Until next time, good trading!